A lot of times they'll give me looks, like kind of, I don't know, what would you say that look is? Kind of like, you're sick, you shouldn't be out.
You could always try mushy peas. Good morning, guys. I don't even know what day it is. Mary is coughing and just threw up. Not fun. So we're packing up to get ready to leave the hotel and finish our trip to Massachusetts. There's Ollie boy, chilling out.
Can you push me to the car in this?
Yeah. Poor Mary. It's okay.
All right. So basically when I start coughing really, really hard, my stomach, because my abdomen muscles are so tense from coughing, my stomach is like, so then a lot of times I throw up. But I am standing upright again, and we are ready to go. New York wore us out. You were fun.
Ollie, we made it. We're here. Finally, our 3-day road trip has ended.
Except we're getting back in the car.
We gotta go run some errands and get some food and things like that. So we will see you guys later.
Yep.
Bye.
Hey guys, we're back from our errands, and there are a few questions I wanted to answer. Carolyn was wondering, what do I do when people see me coughing? Oops, I don't know where the camera was. Sorry about that. What do I do when people see me coughing? Great question. So yeah, my cough tends to be pretty obnoxious, like hard, long coughing fits. And you guys have seen that in the vlog. So yeah, when I'm out and about and people hear me coughing or see me coughing, a lot of times they'll give me looks, like kind of, I don't know, what would you say that look is? Kind of like, you're sick, you shouldn't be out. Kind of that sort of look. But a lot of times people just say, oh boy, nasty cough or nasty cold. And I tell them, I just look at them and say, actually, I have cystic fibrosis. Because I want them to know, if I sounded like this, if I was a normal person and I sounded like this, I wouldn't be out because I could get you sick. But the reality is I can't get them sick. So I want them to know I'm not contagious. But yeah, so when people see me coughing, if they just stare at me, I don't usually say anything. But if they ask me a question or if they're wondering if I have a cold, I tell them that I have cystic fibrosis. I'm open about it. You guys know that. Second, how do I manage regular day in my life with cystic fibrosis? So I guess my CF routine has become my everyday norm. Even when I'm on IVs, honestly, I'm on IVs enough that it's kind of a norm for me. So I'm used to taking my medicines each day, and every time I eat, I take my enzyme pills and all of that. So I'm just kind of used to it. You guys have seen my medicine holders and that sort of thing. That's how I kind of manage my my medicines and stuff. And yeah. And the last question is, how do I feel about CF? It's a great question. I think Sorry. I think I answered this in another video, which Peter can link.
Look at the cutesy bone. He's so tired and he's sleeping so funny. Gotta love that barrel chest. And there's Mary doing her best, getting ready for bed. She's got her pudding pants. She's got her pudding. Oh, I'm just singing about your pudding pants.
I got my pudding pants. I got my pudding pants.
There they are, Christmas puddings from the UK. Got itchy nose? That was nice.
Oh, thanks.
Hey guys, great news. It's Kinder time.
Yay!
Alright, Mary, I present you with the egg of Kinder time joy.
Oh! Is this from the used bag? Honey.
Oh, I got these out of the used bag. Oh,
Let me see what it is.
Okay.
Ah!
A spinny top.
Let's go have real Kinder time.
Alright, let's find the real ones. Alright, we found the real bag.
All right.
Look how many we have left. That's dwindling down. But it's okay, we still have plenty.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
Yes.
It could be good.
It could be good.
Ollie, is this a good one? Is that a good one? Uh-oh.
Oh. Kinder Surprise. What is it?
Oh, it's a head turner, belly turner.
Head turner, belly turner. Do we have a white one?
I think so.
Cool.
Yay.
Head turner, belly turner, head turner, belly turner. Hey, hey,
Oh,
hey.
wait, maybe we don't.
Hey, hey.
You know what?
I think this might complete. Does that
Did that complete our set? You guys.
That's awesome.
Hold on. I don't know if this completes it or not. Guys, let us know if we've completed our set. There's my little puppy. And here's our new little puppy, head turner, belly turner. If you're new to the vlogs, these are called head turner, belly turners. That's a very official Kinder term. Not, we made that up. Because when you turn the belly, the head turns. Isn't that creative?
It really is. I mean, for a toy that comes...
It is cool. These are good toys, let me tell you. Like, it is cool, but I remember the first time we opened one, we were like,
oh.
You touch the belly and the head turns.
But it is, I mean, it's pretty interactive for a toy that comes in pieces inside of chocolate.
In an egg.
In an egg. That's pretty cool. So, here's all the ones in the set. So you guys, let us know if you think we've completed the set. I'm not sure. I don't remember the dark dog. It's brown and brown.
Yeah.
Do you guys remember that one?
It's so hard to remember sometimes. Yeah. Well, I mean, these are 6 in a line. Usually it's not that many. Okay, but did you guys hear about the new Kinder product that's coming out? You guys remember, one of you guys just told us you tried the hippos, which we remember trying those. That was a long time ago. You're a long-time viewer. Okay, so Kinder has a new product coming out. You know how these Kinder Surprise come in a chocolate egg? They have gotten not a banana factory, but a chicken factory. And they're breeding the chickens to have the toy in the actual real egg. So when you go to crack the egg open in the morning and make fried eggs or whatever, you get a toy.
Okay, so here's a lesson in lie detection in Mary's storytelling. All right, let's rewind the footage a little bit. All right, now, notice the smirk on her face when she starts every sentence.
because it's just such good news.
Good try.
Kinder, we're so excited about real chicken egg surprise eggs.
And she actually didn't do it this time, but she usually, when she's making up something, she'll go, so.
And let's preface what I make up.
Crazy stories like that.
Stories, and I make it known that they're fake. So
Yeah,
I'm not
no,
straight up lying to you.
No,
every
she's
day.
not. She's not lying in our vlogs. It's just she likes to make funny jokes, like actual chickens are laying Kinder eggs.
Hey, that's a good idea. Let's get on that.
Ticket to Shark Tank.
Sounds painful. Oh, man.
Well,
We'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.